Hey, how you doing? Pat here. Welcome to day 2. Today I am going to take the wife over and we are going to ride the snake there in Shady Valley, Tennessee. After that, I'm going to surprise her with the back of the Dragon. Stick around, stay tuned, and let's see what kind of cool things we can find today. Found a cool little bridge in Bluff City, Tennessee. It bounces quite a bit too. If we could only get a train on that bridge. That reminds me of being back out to sea again, the way this is bouncing. Are you afraid to come out here? I think you're afraid. Chicken. Well, we're back to what I like to call the beginning of the snake right here. Of course, I'm here later in the day than I normally am. I try to get here about daybreak most of the time. But I must stop over here at the marina to get everything ready to go.
So beautiful, the water, the scenery. Oh.
Say hi from the Backbone Rock.
Hi.
even though we rode the back of the Dragon, really didn't get any footage of it because we were going crazy slow, because the wife didn't bother to tell me she had come down with a migraine that made it hard to concentrate. Hey, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this short video. We're going to end it here. Right after this, we pulled into the back of the Dragon store, bought the mandatory t-shirt, headed to the hotel, then just hopped on the interstate the next morning for the long, boring ride home. If you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching.